everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how to set up the Apple Pay on your iPhone. Okay, so what we have here is the built-in app from the Apple here wallet. It is the Apple Pay, but if you still don't have that app, what you need to do is go to the App Store, and then you need to search the Apple Pay or wallet app. Just type the wallet app here, and it will appear like this, Apple Wallet. Okay, just download the Apple Wallet, and you can open it up and setting up your card details. And once you have set up your card details, just double tap the home button and it will appear like just appear like your cards instantly. But I have not actually put the details of any card into my phone, so there's no card detail, that's why it is not showing up. But make sure once that you are setting it up that your face ID and passcode is set up before you are setting up your Apple Pay. It will be very helpful, and it will not allow you to make an Apple Pay account if you are not setting up the face ID and passcode. So make sure that this setting of here is turned on, just like this, it's turned on, and your face ID in an Apple iPhone is already registered. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you still have any other question, just let me know and I'll clear in the next video. Until then, bye bye.